In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from RIA to GCash in 2025. It's a fast and convenient way to send funds directly to mobile wallets in the Philippines. Step 1. Open the RIA app or website. Start by launching the RIA Money Transfer app on your smartphone or visiting their official website. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Step 2. Initiate a new transfer. Click on the Send Money button. Select Philippines as the destination country. Enter the amount you wish to send and choose your preferred payment method, such as a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Step 3. Choose GCash as the delivery method. In the delivery options, select Mobile Wallet and then choose GCash from the list of available wallets. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Provide your recipient's full name and their GCash registered mobile number. Ensure that the information matches their GCash account to avoid any issues. Step 5. Review and confirm. Double-check all the details, including the recipient's information and the transfer amount. Confirm the transaction to complete the process. Step 6. Notify the recipient. Inform your recipient that the funds have been sent. They should receive a notification from GCash once the money is available in their wallet. That's it. You've successfully transferred money from RIA to GCash. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.